Okay, so this is a simple JavaScript program that displays the sum of A and B. So if it changes the value to, let's say, 7, the sum is 16. Okay, so let's say I want to implement a function in JavaScript that helps me display the sum of these two numbers. So like that, I can go down, start with the function keyword. I want to name my function as sum, and make this function take in two parameters, so n1 and n2, and make it return their sum. Okay, now to call this function, I go here, sum, and give it the values of A and B. Run it, set it to 9, the sum is 18. So like that it works. Now in JavaScript I have another way of defining a function. So if I comment this out, let's say I want to declare a variable, call it sum, set it equal to parentheses followed by an arrow and open braces. Like that in JavaScript I would declare a function and assign it to the variable sum. So every time I want to call this pointer function, I can call it by calling the variable sum. So making this function take in two parameters, n1 and n2, and make this pointer function return the sum, n1 plus n2. Like that, and just set to sum2. So I also call this variable, giving it the values of A and B. Let me just change the value to 19, then run it. Friends error, cannot access sum2 before initialization. No problem. Drag it over here. Okay, so if I run it, the sum is 28. Now, of course, it's not mandatory in JavaScript to implement a function like this or like that. Of course, you can implement a function however you prefer, but in the end, it's important to understand that both methods are possible when defining a function in JavaScript.